guys. We're almost there on the east side. It's day 6 in Washington State, and we're now on our way to experience snow for the very first time. We're all set, guys. So it's as Matt said, if it's raining here in Seattle, so it's gonna be a lot of snow where we are going. Let's go. Snow is here, guys. Look at that. Uh-oh.
1 hour later.
There's the snow, guys.
Oh, snow.
Snow. All the leaves of the pine trees, and there on the road. Oh, look at that. So others had a hard time, they had to stop.
It's required.
Oh, for
chains on.
okay. Kwame. It's such a great experience, guys.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Yes, it's very beautiful.
The only Tesla out here.
Yes.
I am the only one.
Beautiful.
I'm the only one out.
Guys. So those are the inns. Places to stay. There's a grocery. Oh, look at that. Beautiful.
Should we go try going to the grocery?
Yes.
Yeah.
I want to touch snow.
Look at this snow for the very first time, at least for us. Yeah. Look at that. Look at the car. The Tesla's full of snow. Yes. Snow, snow, snow. Awesome snow. Such a great experience. Yung ulo mo. Yes, guys. We have to go. To go out.
Marunong ba kayo?
Look, guys. Look. Woo. So great.
It's not really cold.
It's just right.
Just
Yeah. It's like without the beanie. It's cold. In the hair. Guys, so we're just enjoying the snow for the very first time in our life here in Washington State. Look at all of us. It's not that cold, but you know, you feel na you kind of get wet. Kaya ang snow syempre natutunaw. Pero ang saya.
Oh, you have to pass may dadaan.
Oh, there's a car.
Here lang tayo.
Yeah. Let's go, guys. It's a bit thick here, so this is such a white Christmas for all of us, guys. Okay. Picture. Okay, guys. Great. Snowball. Careful, guys, huh? So great, guys. Okay, so we just had a experience for the first time with snow. How is it, wifey?
Snowy.
Lexi, did you enjoy? How was it? Good. How about you guys? Tom, Alexa?
Yes. It's good.
Yeah, it's so cold.
Say thank you, Tita Matt.
Oh, thank you, Tita Matt. We went through the traffic, we braved through the snow, and we were able to experience snow. And now we're going back.
Yeah, that's easy. It's all downhill.
Yeah. So it was fun,
You
guys.
just have to get on the freeway.
But probably snow for us is like a one-time thing. It's hard to have this every day.
Oh yeah, definitely.